You're right guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes, and today I'll be showing you around this Yamaha MT07. So here it is, it's a 2016 on a 66 plate with 13,192 miles on it. It's finished in this lovely grey and flow yellow colour scheme. Really looks the part. You've got that front fly screen on there as well. Makes a world of difference on this sort of bike. These are A2 compliant as well. They can be restricted down to the necessary power to be able to ride them on an A2. This particular one's also got a lowering kit on there. You've got ASV leaves as well, digital display, just everything you could possibly need. Really nice bit of kit this, don't hang around long at all. If you are interested, get yourself down or give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.